Morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Agbara Nwanyi Ikuku, Uche Okudiri. I want to make a short video on bitter leaf. Its its uses in treatment of infection. Okay, bitter leaf in Igbo land we call it olubo. So when you get bitter leaf, but first before you pluck the bitter leaf or any other leaves, you first of all put 4 seed of osoji in your mouth and ask the olubo for permission, or use 1 seed of osoji to cleanse the leaf before plugging it. So when you now plug the olubo, look for utazi leaf. It is sold in any market. Look for utazi leaf. Get the bitter leaf, get the utazi leaf, and get coconut. Then wash the utazi and the bitter leaf. Wash them in a clean water. Now break the coconut and pour the water in a can or in a bowl, anyhow you want it, whether in a bottle or in a bowl or in a can. You pour the coconut water, then soak the goat leaf inside the coconut water. Okay, soak the bitter leaf and the utazi leaf inside the coconut water. Leave it for 24 hours. Then drink 1 shot morning and night for 10 days or more. Depends on the length of the infection. You soak bitter leaf and utazi leaf in the coconut water. Leave it for 24 hours. Then drink for 10 days or more. For any other inquiry, please call 09075095635. Still remain your servant, Agbara Nwanyi Ikuku. Thanks.